that I've made some mistakes in the past. Frankenstein, the bride of Frankenstein. Young Frankenstein, the musical. All monsters, all hated. But this time, I've done it. I've done it right. Ah! Yes, awaken my child and show the world the new and improved Frankenstein's monster.
Master, you failed! He's just like the others!
Oh, really? Look again. I've given him a really big R.
What? How is that supposed to help?
Because everybody loves a big ass. My monster can do horrible, terrible things, but with an ass like that, ooh, all will be forgiven.
Master, it's not going to work!
Oh, really? Well, tell that to 20 seasons of the Kardashians and my personal Google search. You can't look away, can you?
It's hypnotic.
We must stop her destroying her.
Master! What about the brain I gave you? It was the beautiful brain of a poet!
Oh, that is in the arse.
What?
Well, I needed something to put in there, and the brain had the perfect jiggle. Now, please, calm down, my thick boy. My thick angel, please. Shush, shush, shush. Shush, shush, shush. What do we do with our big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. If he goes on a rampage, he could kill hundreds. I must make the arse bigger to compensate.
Master, please. He needs a brain. Beauty fades. It's what's inside a person that matters.
Okay, are we talking about you?
Oh.
Look, I told you I don't do humps, okay? You'll just have to deal with how you look.
It's true! He did create a monster!
Wait till an 8. Let's not be hasty. There's something different about this one.
I mean, he destroyed your house and killed your entire family.
That may be true, but who am I to judge? You see, Frankensteins are made from the body parts of different people. This arm might have killed my family, but this ass is totally innocent. Hi, I'm Hans. You've been hurt before, haven't you? Don't worry. I'm not like the other villagers. I'm not here to hurt you. I'm here to be your friends. You're so funny. So, tell me, do smoke alarms go off when you walk into a room? Because that ass is fire.
Wait! Music soothes the savage beast.
Ass.